2006, Oneida Air Systems invented the Dust Deputy, the world's first and best-selling pre-separator for wet-dry vacuums. Well, the best just got better. Introducing the new Dust Deputy 2.5, designed for today's larger and more powerful wet-dry vacs. 2.5-inch hose cuffs fit directly into the inlet and the outlet for quick and easy connections. The Dust Deputy 2.5 delivers up to twice the airflow of other Cyclone and lid-style separators for max collection and unbeatable suction. You won't get this performance with any other Cyclone or lid-style separator. Like the original, the Dust Deputy 2.5 removes up to 99% of dust and debris from the airstream, eliminating clogged filters and suction loss. American ingenuity is alive and well in Syracuse, New York. Proudly invented, designed, and made in America.